And there we are, Northeast United. Attacking from the left to the right on your TV screens, and they're all red kit. And in front of them, stopping them, is the Border Security Force football team, and they're all blue kit. Yeah, you've got the chance now to put the pressure on Border Security Force straight away. It's the second minute of the game. He gets the header in the box. Should have done a lot better.
Yeah, he was onside. It was a late run, just held it a little bit. Sent the delivery, was more stood up than win.
Easily controlling the game in these first 8 minutes. Hamza again goes well, finds Jitin F. Now, let's now be asking for that ball. He's at the time, but here it is. Guillermo getting the first goal for Northeast United Football Club. At one point it looked like Jitin F had done a bit too much. Held his own, laid that ball back, and still not touch.
Fox is bullied with 3 or 4 of his teammates, which provides a simple assist, and that's what you want to see. Selfish, tapping into the goal, and more nearly in half takes his third lead.
Good ball put in. Enough bodies in the box as well. Just another one in for Border Security Force. Now here's Partha Gogoi, goes for the shot. Beautiful shot. If ever there was a moment to describe what Partha Gogoi is all about, that attack should tell you everything you want to know about this young man.
Ability to try and get recognised in that national team side.
Rama plays it long. Here's Guillermo, beautiful first touch, sets it up for Partha, misses it Partha, but there comes Jitin. No problem whatsoever. It's the right players from Northeast United that are having a field day in these first 20 minutes.
It's all about that first touchdown in Division 2. And how well the Northeast United side so far is fill the box with lots of bodies. The opposite winger on that occasion, Border Force side, just not able to get out and try to press the ball, and they found themselves 2-0 down early in the game.
Here's Dondoma with a long throw. Bemamar was the target at the time. And here's Guillermo. Looks like he's got that. Looks like he's got Northeast United's third goal. It seems like he's given a foul in favour of Border Security Force. I guess the replay will tell us if it was an offside or not.
But you give the ball away, and it might be just that one moment that sparks them into life, as we see a replay of this incident again, which might have looked like for the third goal.
It's the perfect opportunity to check what your team is made of, what these players that you signed for the new season are made. You've dominated player, and here you are, there you go. Goal number 3. It's the new man. Hasn't been given. The offside flag has been come up.
Yeah, you'd have to say it's a correct decision. Agility and a bit more dynamic.
What a start that would have been for Jare for his new club. Partha Gogoi this time, no mistake whatsoever. Beautifully worked and beautifully booked in by Guillermo. And it seems like he's picked up an injury in the process. But take nothing away from that goal.
Partha Gogoi there. Directed with a head now, he's going to use the outside of his right foot. Beautiful technique, really creative, intelligent play. Puts it on a plate.
Here was the new man, Falguni, with that ball. Came on straight away, made an impact on the game within the first few minutes. Keeps possession back Northeast United, and it looks like a penalty's been given for Northeast.
And Jarry again just closing in, and it actually looks like the penalty and the foul might come from his own player. Or is it Jitendra just there hanging a leg out?
Jersey number 16, Mohammad Asif Khan. Meanwhile, the penalty is still not taken, and guess what? Surprise, surprise, Andy. Jare is the one who's taking that penalty. He came on with just one thing on his mind, one objective, and that is to find the back of the net. And there you have it. Jare came on to score goal number 4 for Northeast United Football Club. He looks like a busy player. He looks like a player with a net. He looks like a player who wants to find the back of the net. We're never given the opportunity. And he was never going to miss from the penalty spot. 4-0 to Northeast United.
Yeah, it looks like the referee's blowing full time as well. 192 passes completed, 121 touches of the ball as a deep line midfielder. Such a pivotal role, a lot of work gone unseen by him.